Now it is.
No, sir. Sorry, sir. Your video is not visible.
Hingole sir, please share your screen first. First, share your screen and then you can play your video.
Now it is fine, sir.
Yes, yes, you are visible. Camera is on, no issue.
Okay.
Share your screen, please.
Shall I share the screen now?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
First, we'll have introduction and then you can start.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of SYCET College of Engineering and Technology, Aurangabad, and Institutions Innovation Council under the SYCET College, I, Dr. Hulas Raj Tonde, I would like to take this opportunity to start this session, and I would like to request our honorable speaker, Dr. R.S. Hingole, sir. I would like to introduce our eminent speaker as he is the professor and ex-principal HOD, CEO, SWO, and presently working as a professor at T.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akurdi, Pune. Sir has completed his BE, ME from CAD/CAM and PhD in Mechanical Engineering Department. He has filed 19 patents and published 3 books. He has 115 research publications in renowned journals. Sir has visited foreign countries, Germany, USA, Spain, Dubai, and others. Sir has been awarded by 8 awards from national and international organizations. Sir is the member of professional bodies from the national and international societies. Sir has conducted 42 workshops and 35 conferences. Sir has also presented and attended 7 please mute.
Mic off kara. Switch off your mic.
Sir has reviewed 40 plus research papers. He has 10 international MOUs, 40 national MOUs with different industries and organizations. Then Sir has taught 14 subjects. He has worked as a SPPU committee member. He has delivered 45 guest lectures in different industries and colleges. Sir has various skills and learning skills, dynamic and proactive skills. So now I would like to request our principal, Dr. R.S. Pawar, sir, to give the preamble.
So, warm welcome to all the participants for this webinar. And today's resource person is my friend, Dr. Rahul Kumar Hingole sir, very esteemed speaker in the field of intellectual property rights, product design and development, innovation, research, and academics. He's an expert in that. I would like to mention that Dr. Rahul Kumar Hingole sir was one of the candidate for Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University Vice Chancellor before 3 years, and he was listed for last 5 candidates also. So we are pleased to welcome him for this session on achieving problem solution fit, product fit, and market fit. So this is very important subject, and we are organizing this activity under Institution Innovation Council of SYCET College of Engineering and Technology, Aurangabad. And this IIC is established, that is Innovation Institution Council is established at our campus under Ministry of Education, Government of India. And here we are organizing such activities for promoting the ideas of the students, promoting innovation, incubation activities, and overall support for startups and entrepreneurship development of the students. We have series of such lectures, and many resource persons have delivered webinars on this innovation council. And today is the day Dr. Rahul Kumar Hingole sir will talk on this product development, which product should be developed, which should be fit to the market, which should be fit to the solution, and how we can go for better product as per the requirement of the market, design, and requirement of the industry. So my appeal to all the faculty members, dear students and participants, to take maximum advantage of his experience in the field of research. Dr. Rahul Kumar sir, you can proceed further. I invite you to start your session. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for giving the nice introduction about this session. Dr. Pawar, sir, the principal of SYCET College of Engineering, Aurangabad. He is one of excellent personality in the field of design and manufacturing. Yesterday we have a discussion, sir. Can you deliver the session on the solution fit, product and market fit? So it is a very short notice, sir has informed me, and today I am here to deliver the session on it. Maybe the staff members are there, students are there. So how we can, within a short notice, within a short time, how we can capture the good things by avoiding the bad things. Okay. So for today's session, there is a very much important achieving the problem solution fit, product fit, and the market fit. Okay. What exactly the problem is there? Okay. So maybe like this. So all of you able to see it now properly. And today is the Thursday. Sometimes there will be the electricity will go off. Okay. And please all of you to wait for the 5 minutes. That is a problem we'll face during this online sessions. Okay. So that is a problem here today with me also. Although you are in the session, you are hearing it, and some of the people want to develop their product, want to develop the startup, their own startup. Maybe the students are there in the session, maybe the staff member, maybe the industrial persons are there. So what exactly the introduction of it, what are the problems we are facing, and how we will tackle this problems. The problems based on the current scenarios, okay. Current scenarios of the industries. Okay. What industry wants, what customer wants, how it can be fit in the market. To launch the any product, so lot of requirements are there. We'll see what are those requirements. Okay. How we can provide the better solutions, how it can fit to the market. That are the strategic plans we have to do it. So all of you to in this PPT also, whatever the experts of the industry they are sitting, they have taken the concept from the market only. They have taken the customers' feedback and they are thinking on it, how we can give the better solution to our customers, how we can give the better solution to our industry. There are the people who are from the various background like marketing, MBA finance. Again, the engineers like us, mechanical, computer, IT, expert team is there. The industrial persons from the quality control, design, manufacturing, CAD/CAM, CE, automation. So on the initial phase only they will sit. That is called as a concurrent engineering. So whenever the any product, suppose this pen we want to launch, okay. So how it can fit to the market? So the need of this pen to all the students, all the industrial people, all the academic and person who want to write, the pen is needed. What is the problem with the pen? Maybe the 100 years back, we are not having the pen like this. We are having the ink pen. We may call it a tack. So ink pot is there to put and we have to write it. So these are the things. Then market is goes on increasing. Then ball pen, lead pen has come in the market. Nowadays, the customer wants goes on increasing. Now gel pens are coming. The pen with the torch is coming. Pen with the watch is coming. Pen is the lighter is coming. So all these are the advances that are coming according to the need, according to the problems arises from the market. So it is a one example of a pen in front of us. Such type of 100 examples are there. In the 1970s and 80s, for the vehicle manufacturing, only the ambassador cars were there, Fiat cars were there. Maybe the people who are having the age around more than 50 here, so they know in 1980s what will happen. So what was the problem in those days? We are not having the automation. We are not having the CAD/CAM CE part. We are not having the expertise to do the modeling. We are not having the good machineries. Nowadays, CNC advanced part are there. So I will give the certain example. The pandemic is started and we are moving towards the online sessions. All the students are hearing online. The problem, offline they cannot come due to the pandemic. The problem is there. Okay, we cannot go to the college or school directly as per the government norms to avoid the pandemic. So then online is started. Problem is there. Then we are finding out the solution. Okay, these are the modes. Okay. So whenever we are planning for the new business, we have to do the plan, business plan. We have to work on the financial matters. So we have to execute the plan. Okay. So initially there is a business proposal we have to come up. What is the business proposal to manufacture the pen? To have the distillery plant. Okay. So these are the businesses that we know it to manufacture the different components of the car. Suppose there is a gear. So how to manufacture this gear? Okay. So that is the problem with me. Again, the safety to the driver. Okay. So we are having the automatic driver seat which is going up and down. Again, so Marathwada zone is a drought affected area. Maybe the Aurangabad, Nanded, Parbhani. The agriculture people are facing a lot of problem due to the water. So how the irrigation system make very comfortable? That is the issue in front of us. How we can do the automation of this water? Whenever we are sowing any bananas there, banana plants there in, sugarcane we are sowing there. So at that time, how we can get more water there for this particular plants? So that irrigation, that automation we have to build. So that is the one plan. That is the problem with the Marathwada zone. It is a drought affected area. We are going for the cotton. We are going for the soybean. So these are the agriculture based thing the farmers in those areas are doing. When we are going for the automotive sector, we are having the Bajaj plant in the Aurangabad area. Again, the nearby Jalna area, we are having the steel plants. But what problem they are facing? They are facing the problem of transportation. They are facing the problem of fuels. They are facing the problem of high quality roads. Then, so how we can give the solution to them? The new business. So what are the new businesses there? So cultivation of land is there one part. Improving the production is there. That is also a problem with the land which is available in the Marathwada zone. When we are coming to the Pune and other zones, western part, so Pachim Maharashtra. So in that zone, lot of water is available. The agricultural land is there. Again, what they are facing the problem? They are having a lot of sugar cane in their field. They are facing the cutting problem. They are not getting the workers to cut the sugar cane. Then we have developed the one patent. We have developed the one machine. That is a sugar cane cutting machine. It is maybe I shown that thing to the your college also a couple of years back, 3 years back, I think. So the problem is there. We have to give the solution. What is the new business? So you have to work on it. Then whatever the sugarcane cutting machine is there. So what are the problem we are facing? We have taken it from the field. We have gone to the particular field and we have searched what are the problems the farmers are facing. They are not getting the workers there. Then we can find out the new business there, new plan there. Then we have started the manufacturing of sugarcane cutting machine. So these are the business plan, writing the business plan. In the writing, we have to write. So I have to do this, I have to do that. It should not be like that. We have to make the good proposal and that good proposal should work out. So financial problems are there. Yeah, definitely financial things are there. Suppose for this manufacturing this machine, we need around the 50,000 rupees. It is available with you, fine. Not available, to take it from the certain banks. Okay. That is the one plan. Second, for the business, we have the Bisleri water plant, LED light water plant. So in that one, we need the crores of rupees, 1 crore, 2 crore. Then we are getting the financial matter from the government of Maharashtra, central government. There are Prime Minister funding schemes are there for the central, and for the state, there are the Chief Minister funding schemes are there. Now, when we are getting that money, how we are executing? Execution is very important. Implementation is very important. Okay. So all of you to see the startups in the India. So there are more startups in the US. US is the first country in the world who are having the more startups. Second is the China. China is having the second world startups here. And third will come the India. Indians are having the more startups in the world. It is a ranking 3 in the world. And we are going for the successful rate. So that is a less, around 15% successful rate. Why this is happening? Why we are failing? So we are failing in the implementation. We are failing in the finance. So where will fit? Okay. The problem is there, we have to give the solution. That is the problem solution fit, product market fit, and business model fit. These are the 3 kinds of fit that every business model have to recommend. Any entrepreneur. So I am also the entrepreneur. I also having the startup. When we are doing the startup, at that time, lot of problems we are facing. So all of you to see, number 1, that is the problem solution fit. Okay. So on the piece of paper, there is a project report we have to do it, and that project report should be from the people who are working in that area. Agriculture beds, agriculture people should be there. If you want to go for the plants of the automotive component manufacturing, then the people from that particular industry, like a Tata Motors, then Mahindra and Mahindra, then Jaguar, then the Bajaj Auto. So the people are expert from that particular company. We have to take the help. So and so component is there. Then only your plan become very perfect here. And you have to search where is the market, I will give the one example. In the Japan, suppose one product we have to launch, okay, maybe the gear, or maybe the automotive, or maybe the food industry market, processing plant. They do the market survey for the 9 months. Where is the supply chain management? From where product comes, how it will go? They check all the steps. Initially, they do the market survey. That is the step number one. Okay. So itself only they are searching for the business. They are searching for the solution. Suppose I have manufactured the thousands of gears, then you have to sell out. Suppose I am good in the manufacturing. I invested the 5 lakh rupees, I manufactured the gear. Then what is the market of it? So I invested the 5 lakh rupees. So I should get 5 lakh rupees plus certain amount, 1 or 2 lakh rupees. Because whole 1 month my people are working, I am working. So their salaries, their everything should get it. You see, okay, he is the owner of the company, and these are the people who are working. One, so for them we have to provide the salaries. So to prepare the report, nobody will do the free of cost report. Okay. Maybe you are having the ideas, you are preparing something, but it is not validating at all. It will validate for the 10%, 20%. But we are going for the success rate. Okay. So then number two is the market, product market. Whatever we are launching the product, where is the market? How to capture the market? Suppose we are you are watching the advertise of the Tirumala. Tirumala brand is from the some zone like Jalna. Tirumala brand, they are having the groundnut oil, soybean, treophil oil. Again, the other 3-4 types of oils are there. Mustard oil. So they are having the process plant. They are processing, they are taking a raw material, they are processing, they are making oil. Now, their plant value is around the 300 crore rupees now at present. Okay. Nowadays, in the pandemic, the consumption of oil has been increased a lot of oil. The people are at home, they are taking food at a time, on a time, maybe the 3 times or 2 times, and they are using a lot of oil. Consumption of oil has been increased. Then there is a problem in front of that Tirumala brand, how to increase our capacity. But they are facing the problem of money also. They are taken a loan from governments, around 200 crores. Suppose they are increased their capacity. They are, suppose daily they are having the 1 lakh liters of oil. So they are giving the 1.5 liters of oil per day. They are increased their capacity by the 50%. And although by investing the initial 300 crores, then 200 crores, 500 crores they are invested. So within the 1 year, they will get all the amount in their hand, 500 crores plus of certain profit. You see, they have working with the crores, but we people, the students, staff members, or maybe the newly entrepreneur, so they face the problem of the finance. They are having the product. Suppose they are having the product, then how it can be suitable in the market? How it can be fitted in the market? Then market fit is important. Now oil is having the brand, their Tirumala. So their brand is there, everything is working, business model is working. But suppose if I manufacture the another product like a soap, so Tata soap is there, Santur soap is there, Moti soap is in their market, Dettol soap is there. Suppose I have come up with the one brand, Aurangabad soap, and I manufacture in my plant. I invested around the 5 lakh rupees or 10 lakh rupees in the manufacturing soap. In a per year or per month, I manufacture around the 1 lakh rupees, 1 lakh soaps. So it is in my go down. Then how to do the marketing? Okay. So for that marketing, try to deputy people. Manufacturing, I know everything. I have done the manufacturing. But the resources which are available in the market, like Reliance Marts are there. D-Mart is there. So the chain is available, established. I did not have to establish my own chain. I can give the product to them. They will sell out. Then market I am getting properly. And business, obviously, per soap I am getting the 10%. So like that, lakhs of rupees, suppose costing is around the 10 rupees, 10 lakh rupees soaps are there. I'm selling it out. I'm getting the 1 lakh rupees per month or per day. That is a fine. That is a business model. That is validating. So I'm telling here, investing a certain amount and we are getting a certain output in the form of product, in the form of money, in the form of work. So that is the output. That is the fitted. Okay. So that are the three kinds of fit that we are learning. Achieving the goals, achieving the market, achieving the solutions. So it will not come directly. It will come from our hard work. Okay, I'll have to see how they are working. Day and night they are working. Achieving the fits. How we are achieving? Okay. So whatever you are doing, it should have a value. Okay. Maybe the software industry, they are working day and night for the software. The 3 shifts they are working. Okay. So they are forming with the solutions. Okay. So these are the things. Okay. Maybe the service industry is there. So we are providing the solutions like apps, websites, giving the solution, that is the service industry. Manufacturing is the second part. Manufacturing, the manufacturing of this one, pen manufacturing, mobile manufacturing. Okay. Then whatever you do, that is a product fit in the market and it gives the value or not, that we have to see. Create the value of values for the customers. So I will tell you the another example. You know the Nokia mobile. So this is the Samsung. Nowadays we are going for the Samsung, Apple, iPhones. Okay. Then in a 20 years back, the brand Nokia was too much popular. But they have not done the innovation. So in the year 2000 or in the 1995 or 2000, it has a very brand value, but they are not changes done in their product, whatever the software, whatever the touch screen. Okay. So they have not done. So now 2006, 7, Samsung, all these are coming with the new features, smartphones. Then now Nokia is outdated. Nokia is obviously the Japanese company, but now it is outdated. So whatever these directors of the body, governing body, whatever the person that is managing director, owner of the company, they have to think in the innovation point of view. Innovation should be there. Okay. So last time I have taken the session offline. Now innovation is done there. Now it is a webinar. Initially it was a workshop, hands-on experience I have taken the regarding the patent in your college. Now you have done some innovation during this couple of years. You have Google Meet, so your software, you are doing the recording of this one. So these are the achieving the things according to the customer need. Students are there. The transportation cost, accommodation cost. So these will get reduced. Okay. So these are the fits. These are the suitability of the particular problem to fit in the market, to fit to the solution of the customer, okay, and to capture the market very perfectly. Whatever we are doing here, it is for getting the profit. It is getting the business. Okay. The brand value is there, that will see. So as an entrepreneur, there is an ecosystem. Okay. Ecosystem is there. It is not a single person cannot work out. The principal sir is there. All the team is there. Deans are there. HODs are there. Then the staff members are there, forming the team. That is the one system they have made it. Students are there, and we are giving all the inputs to the student to become excellent in their teaching learning process, then academic, then the entrepreneurship. They should be suitable for the job in the market. So in the same thing, entrepreneur has to work in such a way that their product should capture the market effectively within the short period of time. Then coordination is a very important. So how we are doing the coordination here in the nation? Suppose I am launching the product in Pune. Nearby Pune market area I have to capture. Second, Maharashtra zone. Then nearby states. Then India. Then the Asian countries, Middle East. Okay. Then Sri Lanka, Afghanistan. Then nearby areas of UAE. Okay. Dubai, then so we have to capture the market. Then we can move to the European market, then US market, African market. So likewise, our brand value goes on increasing. So we have to form some ecosystem at the local level and that transfer to the high level. So in this one, consistency is very important. Now today I am working for the 8 hours, tomorrow I will take a leave. Not like that. Today I will work for the 10 hours, tomorrow I will work for the 1 hour. It is not like that. Consistency is required in your work. Again, today I manufactured 1 lakh component, tomorrow I will manufacture 10 components. Not valid. I will tell you the another example of Tata Motors. So initially the Tata Motors, whatever the Tata Indica car is launched, so that has created the very brand value in the Tata Motors. So that was the dream projects of our Ratan Tata. Okay, and that particular Tata Indica has been clicked in the market. They captured the market very easily. To manufacture that car hardly required 2 minutes. So you are telling that, sir, in the 2 minutes we cannot write the one sentence or one PPT here properly, 4 5 points. How it is possible? So for that, the 150 companies are there. Whole setup is there for the 50 acres. That is working their ecosystem. Consistent people are working in the 3 shifts, first shift, second and third. And likewise, within the 2 minutes, they are manufacturing the one Tata Indica car. They have captured the market in Pune and then India. They are going towards the European market, African market, and throughout the world. That car with the low cost that has been established. And they have done the continuous improvement there. So in the car, now Indica, then they have done the certain changes in it. We are having the 2 3 models more there. Okay, remote learning. Okay, so they are establishing the so many new features in the car, sensors and everything. They have created the branches throughout the world. In Turkey, they are having branch. In European market, in US, everywhere they are having the branch. When you are launching your startup, then your brand is limited to the Aurangabad zone in Maharashtra. Then you slightly move to the Gujarat area, then uh, Telangana state and other. And like that, you can make your brand values. There are the people who are working day and night for the website development, social media, advertisement is there, and they are creating the brand. Tata Motors is a brand. Daimler Chrysler, Mercedes-Benz, it is a brand. Okay. iPhone, now it has become a very brand. So I will give the one example. So this is the Samsung mobile. Samsung mobile manufacturer, they start from the scratch. In our home, there is a one storeroom is there. In the storeroom, they have started the manufacturing. Nokia model. That is a Samsung model. They started from their home. Now they launched very perfectly, captured the market, and the network is now throughout the world. See, Samsung was the very small brand. Whatever the Samsung is written, that's the name of a company. Within the $10 rupees, we have come up with that logo, Samsung. Now you see their profit in the millions of dollars. So small entrepreneur has become the very high level entrepreneur. From scratch, captured throughout the world. That is a remotely, okay, sitting at home, perfectly working, then establishing the company, branching, branding, everything. So how to build the startup? So I will give the one case study of it. Okay. What is the ecosystem? What are the parts in the ecosystem? Okay. So here, ideas are there, inventions are there, research is there. So for the startup ecosystem. And startup are the various stages. Then entrepreneurs, startup team members, investors, mentors, advisors. So all this team is needed there. The startup ecosystem. The ideas is there in mind. How to manufacture? Idea is there. So I'm too much talent, everything is there. I will do it. not possible. So startup stages are there. Which are the startup stages? Number 1, 2, 3, market survey, concept, design, development, okay, manufacturing, then launching the product. Then entrepreneurs. There is a cluster of the entrepreneurs in every city, in every state, in the country also. We have to become the member of it. Then you can show your product, how you are launching. Now in the advertise, you are daily observing the advertise, shampoos, and then so many sanitizers, they are coming in the market or they are launched. Then chocolate models, they are coming in the market. Chocolate, so many chocolates are there in the Amul chocolate is there, Amul butter is there, everything. Lijjat papad is there. So these are the small startup. You know the Lijjat papad that is started from the home. I visited the Lijjat papad company in the Pune. The owner of it is my close friend. So when they started the initially, only 1 or 2 from the home they have started. Now around 1 lakh ladies are working in the Lijjat papad. They launched whatever the papads with masala, simple, with the so many wheats, so many pulses they are manufacturing the papads. And Pute sir has told me, sir, we have taken the machines. In the machine, they have invested the crores of rupees and they are manufacturing the papads by using the machines within a short period of time. But the people are not liking the Lijjat papads from the machines. They like the handmade papads only. All the machines are now there at a place only. Okay, these are now scrap. All the machines are scrap. Only manually they are operating it. See, these are the changes that are coming in the startup. But now 1 lakh ladies are working there. They give 1 kg, 2 kg atta to the particular woman and they manufacture at home. They do all these things at home and they come next day with the papas. So these are the team members, team build. Investors are there. So investor in the company. So all the people are the investors. Okay. All the stakeholders are there. Okay. Mentors are there for the company. So like me, mentors are there. Sir, you do this, you do that. We are doing the mentoring there. As I am a professor, I do the mentoring for the industries. I run the so many software industries also that uses the ideas and solutions to the so many companies like a CAD CAMC software companies, then manufacturing. So many advisory boards I am working. So for the ITs, government ITs, I am on the bodies. Okay. And COP panels also I am working there. So there is a formation of team is very important. Okay. So you see the supports of the organization, then big companies also required, universities support also required, funding from the government also required, service providers, then research organization. Cluster combination is required. Then only we can move further. Alone cannot do. Teamwork works. Okay. So suppose I will give the one fish to eat. You will eat and it will vanish. So I will tell you how to do the fishing so that you can eat for the lifelong. Okay. So these are the things that are coming through the market fit. That are coming through the experts. Okay. So when there is a one of an industry or something is there, so there is a vision is very important and the mission. For a college, you are set the mission and vision. For the company also, mission and vision is very important. Okay. Again, the mentors, the expert field or expert people also needed in the company. Then teach. Okay. So whatever the new things are coming in the market or in the world, that we have to capture it. Accordingly, we can move our startup. You know the Tesla company. The Tesla company is coming with their own car, driverless car, automatic, automation everywhere is there. Then what about petrol, diesel, kerosene, whatever the petrol, diesel, CNG cars, battery operated cars? So we are advancing towards the new technology. and so many faculty members are there, they are doing the research, industrial peoples are there, they are doing the research. So I will give the one of a case study we have done it at the Aurangabad zone. So there is a Rucha industry. The Rucha industries are having some manufacturing of the sheet metal components, and we have launching some hydroforming parts. These are the newly launched technique in the world. We have worked on it. We have given the solution. One of my students who had done the PhD under me. So we have launched a few setups in the company. That is for the hydroforming. So that uses the very high quality of product. So technology is there, then who will lead? The expert, engineers, they have to lead the company. They have to feed the market. So whatever the solution we are giving, they are matching or not. So normally the punch and die is there, we are manufacturing the component to the automotive industries in the Aurangabad zone. But suppose if I am using the hydroforming, high quality product, greater capabilities, then obviously the customer will get attracted. Automobile people will get attracted to our component. And obviously our goal is get achieved through that component. And for that we need the inspiration. So today the session has been organized. So your team is working, Dr. Pawar sir is working, coordinator is working, whole team is working to get the input, to get the new technology, to get acquainted with the new knowledge. That's why I am only the inspiration for you. Inspiration talks that are very important. So that definitely leads to achieve your goals, achieve your customer satisfaction, achieve the product satisfaction. And that is the only fit to the market, to the solution, to the business. So what are the early stage entrepreneurship? You are doing any startup. So what the problems you are facing? Basic innovation. You are having the innovation, no problem. But somebody, the people who are not from the engineering background, some other background is there. So he has to come up with the expert who are done the innovation. So many people from the different area, they are approaching to me. So which product we want to launch? We are giving the solution to them, but we are not giving the free of cost. We are charging something. If you are giving the free of cost, they will not recognize our value. Okay. So for that, we have to cost. That is what you may call as the consultancy fee. You may call as the help to the particular customer. Okay. How to hustle it? Okay. How to tackle these situations by various needs, by various solutions. Ecosystem, you know it, branding. We have to make the good brand by achieving the faith of our customer. Then we have to solve the different problems of a customer. We have to solve their difficulties. Okay. That is very important. What are the customer needs are there? We have to fulfill. Okay. So I give the one of example. So these are the products which are needed for the sophisticated cranes. Okay. This is the product. Maybe you are able to visualize. So this is manufactured by the 3D printing. So I am manufactured, designed by the other people. Okay. But they need the jelly type of product like this. This is the product, but this is the hard. This is another product we have manufactured. You see how flexible it is. So it is a hand rest. We have manufactured this. And this is the very hard. Okay. But the shape is like this. This is the innovative product, 3D. And this is a normal machine product. But it is not suitable. Innovative also, but not suitable. So only the shape is there. But it is suitable. You see how soft is this one. The gel is placed inside, then close everything, and this is the suitable market. Suitable for our customer, suitable for the market. So such type of solutions we have to give it to the market, to our customer. Then only penetration in the market will happen. Then only we can establish our brand. We can establish our product perfectly in the market. The customer, my customers are there, suppose so and so customer, Tata Motors. So need so and so product. Sir, automation of the vehicle. Then we have to do the automation to move your this chair up and down, driver seat up and down, front and back. By pressing the button, going up and down. Again, to the driver seat, back side, he should not be a pain to his back. That's why there is a one hot rods are placed. That will give the very massage type of feeling to the driver. So that is the safety features that we are kept in the BMWs, that are kept in the Benz, that are kept in the other luxurious vehicles. So these are the things. So can it absorb in our Swift Desire? No. It absorb in the our Alto car? No. Because Alto car we are getting with the 5 lakh rupees, and luxurious models we are getting with the more than 40 lakh rupees. So for luxury, we have to invest the more amount. Product selling strategies. When Mercedes has been launched in the India, then they are slightly surprised that so how it will capture the market. But in the couple of months or year, they sold out around 10,000 cars in the India. See, the Indian people are rich, but they can't move their money in the market. Okay. They usually waste their money. They can't use their money for society development. Okay. So that is the part associated with our people. Suppose something we have to launch, we have to invest some amount in it. It will not come free of cost. We have to beat the competition. We have to beat the leads. By sitting in this room, we can do the bidding of these UAE projects. We can do the bidding of these Kuwait-based projects. So the costing is around the 250 crore rupees. By sitting here, we are launching everything, making the file and everything, and we are giving the biddings online. And we are giving the very high quality solutions. So these are the things we have to compete with the market. We have compete with the different types of companies in the market. Biddings are there. Suppose somebody will go with the 250 crores. So that is a tender. So how we can achieve it to the less amount also, maybe the 230 crores. We can give the strategic plan. We have to fill all the requirement, company profile, everything. So these are the certain plannings that we have to do it. So I will move one case study. So many case studies I have explained to you all. So it is one of our company. I am one of the director in this company. So I am launching the one product, a robotic lab. So suppose Suresh College of Engineering needs the robotics lab. So we'll establish there. So why to establish the lab there? To bridge the gap between the industry and the institute. You see, we can organize the competition. We can set the lab. So to set the lab, we are having the type with the ICRA. ICRA is the government company or a government funding agency for the robot. So we are open. So we want to give the lab to the your college or Trace College. So lab investment is around the 7 lakh rupees. Suppose if we are investing the 7 lakh rupees in the so and so college, that is a product. Then what are the outputs to us? It's a free of cost we are giving it to you. So student faculties should get trained in the robotics lab. They should come up with the new ideas. They can launch the product. We'll take the training session. Out of that, we'll generate the business. You see the ICRA is the certified company. That is the government of India. International competitions are there. Okay. Inception cost is there. We have to put some seed funding. That is zero for your college. On campus training we are providing. And project-based learning. Maybe the M.Tech or B.Tech students, they need the projects. Some of you are doing the PhD also. We can focus on that also. So it is a next generation lab. Maybe you are having a certain robot or robot arm is there. But our is the next generation lab. We are going through the advance. So these are the features, advancing. Okay. Okay. Then these are the labs, various labs, their membership. Team approach is there. When we are building the any model, so everything is happening from our company. Okay. So project in charge is there, technical support manager, delivering manager, activity in charge. The training guidance to the student, faculty, handling their queries. Delivery manager, hardware, software, inventory support system to the particular college or the industry. Activity in charge to conduct the activity. I am only the director. I can give the instruction. I can use my brain there. You may call it as a project in charge. I am a managing director. All the people we have to work out there. So that's why our company works. That is the startup. What is the market is suitable here? Our product is to give the labs. Is suitable for your college? It is fitted to your college? Okay, yes, it's fitted. Then what to do next step? We have to come up with a model, put it in your lab, make the lab very perfect. And you have to give us the space for the lab, whatever by the SYCET norms you are placing the lab. Maybe the 20 by 20 to lab size we have to give it. Okay. So these are the things that needed from your. Our business model is there, and we are providing solution to you. If that solution is fitting to you, we are giving the projects. We are helping to your staffs upgrade of your credit marks for the student. Will give the training offline, online, both the ways. We prepare the projects. We'll increase your mark in the NBA. We will increase your mark by establishing the lab. We increase your this all the activities of the college as per the AICT norms, DT norms, and the your Batu University norms. Okay. Again, from your side, we need the staff member, that is a faculty coordinator at your institute site. So it is a business model. It's work. These are the certifications we are providing it to the college, to the students, and to the staff. So these are the different types of phases. Our team will come. Okay, that will establish everything. Okay, and Digital India, that is the slogan given by the Prime Minister office. And we are going to the Vision 2035, that is given by the our lab in the Delhi, and it is MHRD Mission 2035 is there. We are advancing to the very new world. Maybe we are in the 2022, but we have to think of 2035. What will happen in the India? What will happen in the Maharashtra, in the Pune zone, in the Aurangabad zone, at your college? You have to think in all the point of view. That's why Vision 2035 is here. All the advancement in the teaching learning process, advancement in the industries, advancement in the entrepreneurship, advancement in all the solution area, market area. So these are the things that we have to follow it. Time limits, we have to follow it. So to become a partner. Okay. So it is one of a case study. So I'm not doing the marketing of intern expert or company. This is a live case study that you are hearing here with me, and Dr. Pawar sir is there. So I will initiate this concept to our few of our members also to become a partner of this one or not. So we are given the training to all over the world. The people from US also, the European country, Germany, then Afghanistan, then UAE part. We are having the setup in the UAE, Dubai. We are having the setups in the Scotland, in the UK, in the Middle East, in the India also, in Pune zone. We are having the setups. Again, in the Delhi side, people are working. So all these are the things that are associated with the partnership and focusing and enhancing the knowledge, enhancing the labs and the education system, strategic plan, entrepreneurship. We can give the trainings on the entrepreneurship. And overall, there are the number of benefits are there through this one. We provide the finance also. So government finance also will provide to the particular project. Suppose somebody has come with some project. Suppose Dr. Pawar sir has come with the project, and it is recognized by the AICT also. Some faculty is there. He want to do launch some product. He will get some funds from the government of Maharashtra, government of India, and will definitely help for the people also for getting the finance to become a good startup entrepreneur. Again, what is the market? People are there in the market to do the marketing, how it can be made suitable for the market, how it can fit it in the market. Only here is the session. We are not only talking, we have done the work. That's why we are confidently saying that we definitely achieve your goals through the particular session for today's session. These are our companies, Citex and DAS. This is in the Dubai, this is in the Abu Dhabi, this is in the petroleum shop in the Scotland, in the UK. Antarik Infra is part of Pune. This is the Shainoto Solutions, Pune. This is my company. And Deep Jyoti is also an Pune-based company, and are helping this company. Simenac Seeds is another company which is helping for the farmers. We have done so many patents for the farmers, and definitely working in the vertical farming. And then haldi, haldi. So we are working on the haldi products. Okay. So these are with all the technical. This company is the oil refinery plants. We used to take the projects. That's of petroleum soft. These are working in the onshore and offshore oil refinery plants. Maybe sometimes we have taken the session in your college also. This is working in the this one construction. Okay. This is purely working in the CAD CAM automation areas, automotive industry. This is the IoT based. Okay. And this is the agriculture based company. Okay. So the session is open for the question and answer, and I hope for the few answer questions from your side. I am ready to give you the solutions. Okay. Sir, please.
So faculties to raise their questions and their interests, students and faculties.
Very good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Myself, Shastri, sir, head of the electrical department, Shresh College of Engineering.
Yes, sir.
You see, sir, what is the balance of risk management on the scale and scope of the product design?
So risk management. Okay.
Risk management in contest with scale and scope of the product design.
Okay. So I will give you the one example. So this is a product with me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is a suitable for the driver seat. Okay. Suppose if I am placing at the driver seat for the handrest like this, okay, it should provide a comfort to the driver. Okay.
Yeah.
But whatever the material I use here is different, and it is not providing the comfort. Okay. So there is a risk has happened here. I have taken the risk in it. Okay. Again, the size and shape. So little bit changes we have to do in it. Okay. To fit properly in that place. Okay. So like that, if I manufacture the 100 components and these are not taken by the particular people, then there is a loss or there is a risk towards me. But I have made only one component. I have given it for the testing. Only I have invested around the 1,000 rupees, and it is rejected. Then I got this product order of 1,000 components, and now I am happy. Whatever the loss is there for the 1,000 rupees, it is recovered within the 1 day. Now it is per day around the 1 lakh rupees through this product we are getting. So we have to take the risk, and we have to think of that risk. That is very, very important, because our people are not going for the business. They are very, very, very much happy with the teaching learning process, and they are facing a lot of problems. As we are engineers, as we are the expert, we launch the product. Maybe the electronic based product you can launch, maybe the agriculture based product you can launch, or whatever the ideas in your mind. You have asked me regarding the question of the risk management only. But where you want to...
How the... Yes, sir.
Where, for which product you want the risk management?
What are the aspects which are to be considered to meet the product design, the triple bottom line?
Okay. So what happened now, when you are really manufacture any product and really we are having the any question like that, only these are the theoretical things. You are asking regarding your theory, you know about the risk management. Maybe you are written some papers on it. You are asking about that. But really, there you are having the risk. The petroleum company, this company, they are having the risk in the implementing their software in the company, oil refinery plant.
Okay.
So they have come up with the one product. Sir, this is my software. Where we are doing the CFD flow analysis there in the company. We are giving the 95% correct solution. Okay. Still also we are not having the good market. Then how we can improve the market metrics, whatever the 3 bottom lines, 4 bottom lines, how we can overcome. Then our team is there, they are working on this problem. How many companies they are approaching, 5 companies, 10 companies, and how they are giving the solution, what are the difficulties in the software. We have launched the software, but experts are not there in their company. Then what is the use of the software? They are again in the come in the real manufacturing sector. They are come in the trading, and they are starting to and they are doing the well. You know, regarding the risk manufacture, only thing is there for the oil. Daily we are purchasing the oil of 45 lakhs in the morning at 11 a.m. In the evening, the cost is going around 2-3%. Sometimes we are getting the risk of 10%. Then you can suppose 5 lakhs in the morning at 11 o'clock. Suppose one crore rupees I invested in the morning at 11 o'clock. In the evening, the share market has down. Maybe the price of the crude oil get down. So at that time, 10% down. Then my 10 get vanished here. So I lost the one 10 people are there. 10 people they are working there. That is the risk. Okay, that's the risk. Because I am strong, my company is strong. That's why I am able to sustain it. The people like you, if they are invested in 1 lakh rupees today, at the morning 10 a.m. and evening you are getting the 90,000 rupees. Are you happy? Are you happy?
Okay.
Tell me, are you happy?
Okay. Any other questions?
That is the one part. Okay. So same thing about all the products also. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Next.
Other faculties, other questions, please. Tonde sir.
Good afternoon, sir. My question is that, sir, how to develop the entrepreneur mindset among the students? Because everybody are focusing on the getting job and preparing for the government jobs like MPSC, UPSC.
Your question is very nice. So
Thank you,
today, Dr. Pawar sir has organized this session that is on the achieving the problem solution fit, product fit, and market. So that is the session today I have taken. And
Yes,
your
sir.
question is related how to make the mind. So we run the training sessions for the entrepreneur to make the mind. We not only give them only the theoretical solution, we give the practical solution. The experts are there from the UK, UAE, and the rest of other countries also. They are the businessmen. They work. They are having their own setup in the world. They are the Indian, but they have got the green cards in the other countries, and they are running well. I will give the case study of one person. Rahul Teleng is there. He is in the USA. And we have started the session from Pune only. I am in Pune. And
Yes,
my
sir.
one of a partner is in Dubai. And one partner is in the Scotland. When we started this online session, the Rahul Teleng has come across with one small WhatsApp message, how to become the entrepreneur.
Yes,
And he thought to attend our sessions, and really he got so many ideas according to the your areas of interest like agriculture, like the farming based, manufacturing sector, automotive, again oil refinery plants, chemical plants, food processing, and etc.
yes,
And
sir.
he has launched the product in the US. So he is the
Yes, sir.
software related to software. He has launched the software products there. Maybe the apps are there, websites are there. So what happened now in the software also very advanced parts are there. So maybe our
Yes, sir.
students are there. They are working in the Cognizant. They are working there, and higher end softwares they are learning. They are teaching, and out of that they are getting the revenue. That is the one part entrepreneur. Again, within this 1 or 2 minutes. So how many of you are inspired for the entrepreneurship is a very doubtful thing, because you have to think again. maybe you have done the patents, maybe your area of interest. So I told you in the Aurangabad zone, if you are staying in the Aurangabad zone, see nearby market, and accordingly you can start your business. Water plant is the best suitable there in your
Yes.
Aurangabad area, and processing plant. Processing means chips, batata chips processing, food processing, coriander processing. These plants are very important. Green chili processing, red chili processing. These are the food products that are always up. In the pandemic, only the companies are sustained are the food products. Then manufacturing totally stopped, oil refinery totally stopped, teaching also stopped, but only the online some sessions were going on. But food industry has increased a lot tremendously. That's why
Yes.
my suggestion is to think
No?
in the food processing point of view. That is a very good point. And if you really want to work out in this area, I will share my numbers. Maybe this is available with our sir, but I will share my mobile number. You can be in touch with me. So really will help you for getting the new solutions and getting the finance also. It is
Yes.
not only the thing. I will give the another case study. Pawar sir, are you online?
Yes, 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 I'm there. I'm hearing you.
One of a principal of Mumbai College, I will not tell his name.
Hmm.
He get inspired my sessions, and he has kept the sessions, maybe 4 5 sessions in their college,
Okay.
and he himself started the his own industry in the electronic field, and he need the 1 crore rupees, and I am a only person who has made the projects for the 4 crore rupees,
Oh,
and
great.
got the message, sir, I have got the 1 crore rupees from the so and so, and he has sent a message to me. I have worked for him for the 15 days. I have made the file of around the 300 pages, and he got the 1 crore rupees from me.
Great, great, sir. Just great.
So, I will share all the details
Definitely,
here.
definitely we will require your support in this regard also, sir.
So it is for everyone. It is one principle is there. He has get inspired. And now second principle is here. Dr. Pawar sir.
Yes.
We
And
will make,
obviously,
we will make a MOU.
yeah, right, sir. Right.
If you are having any format, you can mail me,
I will share, sir. I will share. I will share.
and
And
we'll jointly will
jointly, yeah,
work for the students, right?
yeah. This is the model I will give you.
Hmm.
This is a become a partner. Okay.
We'll do the partnership definitely.
So this is a live case study, sir. It is not only the things I'm speaking here for the 1 hour to our staff members.
Yes, 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 yes. I know,
Really,
sir. I know.
it is
I
a
know.
really outcome based, and
I know your passion and all that.
yeah, right.
Any other questions? Okay. Tunde, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
I hope that there is no question from the audience. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank our eminent speaker, Dr. R.S. Hingole, sir. And I would like to thank our Honorable Principal, Dr. R.S. Pawar, sir. I would like to thank our Honorable Director, sir, Prabhakar Mashalkar, sir. I would like to thank all the HODs. I would like to thank all the participants, staff members, faculty members. Thank you, everyone. And I believe that our this session will helpful for every participant. We will able to develop the entrepreneur mindset among the students, and there will be several challenges, the successes and failures during the startups. But I hope everyone will have some kind of startups and ideas in their mind, and they will set up a business so that our country will grow, and the dream of make in India will be fulfilled. So thank you, everyone. Thank you, our speaker, sir. We will continue with you several sessions, and we will also invite you for the physical presence in our campus. So thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you all. Okay. Thank you,
sir.
Principal Sir, and all the
Thank
staff.
you. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Thank
Okay.
you. Bye.
Thank you, sir, very much.
Yes, good day, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your time, sir. All the members are requested. Please, you can leave the meeting. No issues.
Hello. Hello.